Infinite and finite number series. An infinite series is a series that has an infinite number of terms in it. These series never terminate, i.e. they have no final value. An infinite series is either written in a summation notation, we have the following shown on screen, or by 3 dots after the last known term to indicate the continuation to infinity, i.e. we have the following shown on screen. For example, we have the following shown on screen. Is a finite series, as the last term of the series is known, 15. On the other hand, we have the following shown on screen. Is an infinite series, as it continues beyond the last known term, 15. This is indicated by the 3 dots after this term. That is all for lesson 12.4.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 12.4.2, Converging and Diverging Infinite Series. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.